Hey friends, Tony Zargami coming from my kitchen this time. We're just trying out a bunch of different places to see where I like to record these calls the best. I wanted to do another virtual open house with you. Thank you so much everyone that has sent messages of encouragement and saying you really like checking these properties out. I appreciate it and I'm happy to share all of them with you. So today I wanted to share my screen with you like I always do. So here we go. I wanted to share with you a property that is 6111 Riviera Dunes Way. For those of you that don't know the Riviera Dunes community, it's spectacular. I actually just closed a buyer in this building back here, and my listing is in this building up front, but so cool. I wanted to first take you to the map and show you where this listing is. So mine is in this condo building right here. The one I just closed last week is right here, but it's in this building right here, which looks out onto the Manatee River, which if we keep zooming out, will literally take you anywhere you want to go in the water. Like there's the ocean right there. There's the Sunshine Skyway. It's gorgeous over there. So I wanted to show you exactly where this is located. If we take a look at our tour, this property is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. And the view is really spectacular. When you walk in the front door, which is back at this direction, here's the front door here. When you walk into the front door, and you turn around, one of the first things that you literally can't miss is the view. So let me swing you this way. That's the view outside of your property. And you see it from every room in this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo. There's your view right out that door. How wonderful is this? The cool thing about this property too is that it's fairly quiet. You can't see it here, but there's actually a pathway down here for if your friends and neighbors to walk. And then you have an unobstructed view of the Manatee River, which is just gorgeous. My seller recently remodeled the property. There's new flooring in here. There's a new kitchen, including cabinets and countertops. The master bath is back this way. There's dual walk-in closets in this property. And it also not only has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, but we kind of walked by it earlier. For those of you that know this floor plan, there's the den right here. Some of my other clients, I've sold this floor plan quite a bit. Some of my other clients have closed this in and made it a bedroom, made it an office. So not only do you have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, you also have a great office space. So that is 611 Riviera Dunes Way. If you guys have any other questions or want to take a private tour of that property, let me know. I actually spoke with my seller this morning. She's well and healthy, and we did a $25,000 price reduction just this morning on this property. So if you want any details, let me know. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.